Unong aktin jong seng san partai Bangladesh Nationalist Party Usala Udin Ahmed ublasha kem hakakat atri ujamang nakwe ke jaka kabadon ha golfling hinin kasngi ka arpunyo tri ujamang ulasha arai ban sha set hadu khat sausngi ha along ka judicial da ka ying bishar jong ka chief judicial magistrate yakni ka rai la ai da ka ying bishar jong ka chief judicial magistrate ki emling do nongbri kabadai ru ka sien ka banikong bakati ka ying bishar ka yo ban ten bishar ya Usala Udin Ahmed hadin bulami na ka jaka sumar ka bulasha sumar hanigrims Haringkat kiwe gino yalam ka BNP bat ki parlok, ya wa Ahmed lasan ran da ka kurim jungu ka Hasina Ahmed. Habai kran bikilat patai kubor hadin beladep bantian bishar ya wa Ahmed hagasingi balang, unong esad an jung Ahmed USB mahanta ulong, ka ying bishar kelarash wa ban set yu hapok along judicial haduk khat sausngi. Nakaleng unong esad an wa Ahmed ulai tu, bu Ahmed uladep ruban ur hakmat kanong bishar jong ka chief judicial magistrate halor ka jing shitom jungu haga balabatha baswa ban rasha along inlet ban pa examine ha hospital. Habayo pat banyak keren bu Ahmed haswa bagi pulit kenderaan OIU syaying bishar. Uni unong ilam sang san pertai ke Bangladesh Nationalist Party ulong udan gajing shitam hakasyadam jungu badru hakikat tu kini gibenta jong kamet.
So now that the court has sent it to judicial custody, what do you have to say, sir?
Please talk to my lawyer. Please talk to my lawyer.
How is your health now, sir?
I'm not fine. Yes, I am very much grateful to this government. They have given me much support on my
Government of India.
Yes, they have taken much care.
আপনি কি পুলিশকে তদন্তে সব ধরনের সহযোগিতা করছেন?
আমি শুধু আপনাদের সবারই
14th is judicial custody after medical examination. Okay. So it depends on the doctor, right?
गवर्नमेंट लॉयर की डिफेंस क्या है सर?
Oh, government this is for production only.
Any remand?
Remand 14 days judicial.
जुडिशियल
Judicial. Not police.
No.
Okay.
थैंक यू